Alright, here's another one. Sits pretty hard. This box is half opened already. Rocker boxes. Probably go with those. This is inferior packing material again. It's not how things should be packed. Yeah, looks like the same bike. Not quite as corroded, but definitely seen better days. Yeah. Clearance for some high lift valve springs. Yeah, you have to do that when you got big S&S springs that are unjacked 1/8 of an inch. That's what these big aluminum collars are. They unjack the piss out and they come and hit the rocker box. That's why you gotta go in your clearance and out like that. Kind of a must-do situation. Some old underwear in here or something. Another rocker box. Yeah, we don't care about the underwear. We only care about the rocker box. Ew. That must have been the rear one. This is the front one. The front one's out and is not covered by anything. The rear one's underneath the damn gas tank and frame being protected. And it is the rear one. See, here's the line. There's your V line. Yeah, the gas tank's way up here in the front of the shovels today. This one definitely got corroded. This one here was, so it's underneath the gas tank back here. It's in a kind of a semi-safe location. Yeah, this is seen better days. Yep. Now this takes. Okay, so S&S does not use studs, but they don't have 3/8 holes. It looks like they're 5/16. See, these are 3/8 threads here, 5/16 here. You have to drill these rocker boxes out to go to bigger hardware when you put bolts through bolts. But see, these have not been drilled out because these are still small bolts. So S&S makes them for standard length bolts. You know, just long 5/16 Allens. That's nice. So you don't have to butcher your stuff. See the size of the hole over here? It's 3/8. It's 5/16. All right, a little bit of improvement. All right, so let's see. This one I think had a bad exhaust figured out. Yeah, I had the same guy was working on this one. Except that still has part of the helicoil in it. That's 3/8 helicoil. Yeah, it's bigger than stock. It's got fancy valves in there too. And sunk. Alright, so this appears to be a job. Top hinge came off of this bike, obviously. Go like that. And this one goes over here like this. I'm not going to force them on there because it'll be hard to get them off. So after you clean these all up, they'll look like these back here. Nice and clean. They're both O-ring style.